Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode of Lead Stories, where we talk to our past alumni and also our current students to find out how they're doing and also what they're up to these days. And today we have Asyikin. Welcome.
Hi.
So, Asyikin, tell us about yourself and also the work you do. What's the backstory?
Okay, so basically, previously I work as you can see on my LinkedIn, I work as a in media and broadcast industry as a project engineer. I'm the bridge between the user, the client, and the principal. And I got a new job offer way before pandemic. It was on March 2020. I moved out from the media and broadcast industry, but eventually the job offer decide to U-turn because of the pandemic. So I supposed to join on May 2020. I was jobless for a few months, and then I got back a job offer from my previous principal, and then it's a contract based. And then I decided to join the principal because I have a background on that.
Right. Thanks for that. Thanks for a quick intro. How do you end up working right now? I understand you work in procurement, right?
Yes, correct. So
Yes.
because of due to the pandemic also, so I take what job opportunity is in front of me lah. Even though that's not my forte.
I understand you were in project engineering before this, right? So how was the transition like going to procurement?
Totally not related, but I learn from everything we do we learn lah. So I take it as a challenge lah.
So I believe there's a lot of on job learning and also you picking up different skills as you go lah.
Correct.
Wonderful to hear that. What made you look into data science? Is it something recent or previously already you are starting to look into data science?
Okay, so because of I look for a job during the pandemic. So I see that data science is one of the keep on popping in my job searching. So I was curious what is data science all about. So that what makes I join this Lead IO bootcamp.
So based on work experience in project engineering, do you think data science is something related?
Totally not.
Totally not.
Not related. It's just it's out of curiosity lah. I joined this data science. Yeah, I want to see what is data science all about lah. That's it. That's all lah.
So understand that you see data science as a growing industry right now. So previously that's why you got curious and you want to explore and get your hands going with it.
Yes.
Is that at the very initial stage of exploring data science or just learning about it, any challenges that you find at that time? Do you self-learn actually or something?
Before I joined the bootcamp?
Yes.
I did not because I don't know how to start. Seems like there's a programming and also seems like there's a analysis. So how they combine that or both things? So
totally understand. The feeling of it. What was your biggest challenge at time?
Challenge during the bootcamp or
during your picking up data science as it is gradually.
If you want to know, I was interested to join one of the one scholarship by Peneraju. That they offer one data science course. It's a scholarship. So that basically I tried to join the scholarship. I applied, but I didn't get the qualification. So of my background study, I am qualified for that scholarship. But what makes I'm not qualified? That's why I joined after I failed to join the scholarship and I joined the bootcamp after that. It's supposed to start on January.
So is there like something that you feel is a challenge to you when you start learning data science within the program?
It's quite challenging.
Yes. What's the biggest one?
It's the challenge is on the interpretations of the data. Interpretation of data. The programming I don't see. It's not that hard because I have some basic programming on my study previously. Yeah, I have a challenge on interpret the data.
I see. So how you interpret and also gain insights basically from the data.
Yes, correct.
See. So how do you overcome that? I mean, with throughout the whole program, and what is the feel like?
So although I did some, I did research on the, Google. Google is the only, the second the second teacher for me. So because Dr. Lau gave a short clips on what's the assignment daily, right? So I did some research on what I should understand on this on the assignment and all.
What would you say you are say is different about you right now after going through your journey of picking up data science from compared to when you first started?
Of course, I get some brief overview of data science. So because I can say I have zero knowledge on the data science before I joined the bootcamp. So at least I have overview insight what data science is all about and how it made me how to start after this. It's just a starting point for me, the bootcamp. So how I can my journey later on data science.
Glad to hear that. And it comes to the question to what was something that you love about the program and another thing that we missed out or improve upon.
What I love is I have a new network. So network on data science. So basically my circle of friends is got nothing to do with data science, right? So it's good that I have a new network on data science. If I have any question on data science, I know where to ask a question or inquiry.
Lastly, from everything that you have picked up and also learned throughout this journey of starting out to learn data science, what's the best advice for individuals like yourself, from no code background, to get into data science? What's one advice for them?
If you are up to a challenge, so go for it. If you are, curious, so bootcamp, the Lead IO bootcamp is for you to start the journey on the data science.
Thank you so much, Asyikin, for having with us today and spending time with us. And those of you who actually are watching in and also listening in, thank you so much for your time too. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.